Italy is a country famous for amazing food, rich culture, and beautiful cities. But one thing people love most about Italy is its delicious cuisine. Let's start with pizza, the world's favorite food. Real Italian pizza was born in Naples and is made with fresh tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, olive oil, and basil. The famous Margherita pizza represents the colors of the Italian flag. Next comes pasta. Italy has hundreds of pasta types like spaghetti, penne, ravioli, and lasagna. One famous dish is carbonara, made with eggs, cheese, black pepper, and crispy meat. Italy is also known for risotto, a creamy rice dish, and of course, desserts. Tiramisu is one of Italy's most famous sweets, made with coffee-soaked biscuits and creamy mascarpone cheese. Then there's gelato, Italian ice cream that's richer and smoother than regular ice cream. Coffee is also a big part of Italian life. Italians love strong espresso and enjoy relaxing meals with family and friends. What makes Italian food special is its simplicity, fresh ingredients, and love behind every recipe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe,